we are in an era of donkey work or using a worker to work so hard, it would be nice if we can sort a vegetable or separate a coin with a machine. But how can we do that? That is my goal. I will create an application to detect an object from the camera and classify it, and it will be a function of measuring size and estimating weight in the future. Okay, at first we will talk about my code, but before we do that, I want to change to my assistant to present it, because do you see that my voice and my mouth doesn't correspond. Okay, I'm back. At first we will talk about the sensor that I have used. I use a camera sensor. Okay, in the first step, we use the mobile dev to connect to my smartphone and set the resolution and also focus is turned on, and I use a back camera. Okay, on the next step is the important step that is a GoogleNet. GoogleNet is used to classify a snapshot from camera that you have to download on an add-on. Okay, this one, if you don't download it, you can use this application. Okay, in the next step, I will snapshot from the camera, from the mobile phone by using manual snapshot and resize it to search on the GoogleNet. Okay, next step, I use function classify my image as IM to classify it on the GoogleNet. Okay, this figure, next step, show my image with the probability what is that is. In the last step, we will show probability of finding that GoogleNet predict what it is. Okay, the next section we will talk about our application. Let's talk about an application. Do you see that have two box? The left box they will show 5 base probability that the object could be. The right box we will show a picture that you snapshot and show the base probability on the title. Okay, with the code view. Oh, I forgot to mention starting button. I will run a program by click this button. Okay, after I click start button, what it will be, if I click start button, they will run entire of code that I have shown in the previous clip. Okay, that looks similar, but in some part I change it to F, and the M show I remove the figure and replace it with UIX to show the result on the X. Okay, next we talk about demonstration. Okay, let's start demonstrate my app. Okay, just click start to start my application and wait a bit to connect to my mobile phone. They said waiting, maybe it take 30 seconds. I will skip this and use time lapse. Oh, my camera is turned on. It can autofocus as I do it, only capture snapshot. Okay, wait a bit to show a result. Oh, they show a result that water bottle 77%. Okay, in the probability table they show that if there isn't water bottle, what it could be, but its probability is so low. Okay, that is all of my application. Thank you. Finally, in the future, I will develop my application to have a function of measuring size and estimating weight, and combine it with a mechanical arm to help us work and to reduce the wages of the business. Thank you for watching, and sorry for my poor camera.